In this section, we're going to set up a lab on our machine. This is a virtual environment lab, so you can install any operating system you want in the virtual machine. You can keep it for as long as you want, practice on it as long as you want, and do to it whatever you want. It's very easy to reset, and it's 100% legal. To do this, we're going to install a piece of software called VMware Player. Go to the VMware website, and under Products, find the Workstation Player. Click on Try it for free and download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the setup file and follow the instructions. If you're prompted for a license key, just click on Use for Free, enter an email, any email, and click on Finish. And now the setup is ready. The second step in setting up our lab is installing the target environment. Go to the URL provided and download the Metasploitable operating system. This is a Linux operating system that has been set up and configured in such a way that it is vulnerable and exploitable. Once you've downloaded it, extract the file and then double-click on the VM file. When you do that, it will automatically open in the VMware Workstation Player. It boots up, and now it's ready for you to log in. The username and the password are the same, msfadmin. To find out what the IP address of your target machine is, type ifconfig. And make sure that there is a connectivity between your Windows operating system and your target machine. You do this by opening the command prompt on your Windows system. And type ping and put the IP address of your Metasploitable Linux. You should be able to see a reply from the IP address you're pinging. And now you have a lab setup. Note down the IP address of the Metasploitable machine. This is going to be your target IP address going forward.